This is Blue Bay Campground. It's at the Suttle Lake on the way to Sisters and Bend area. It's a big lake on the right on Highway 22. Okay, as you drive down, there's a couple of, looks like a couple different loops. Take a left, 1 to 18, right, 19 to 25, and the boat ramp. So we'll start 1 to 18. Just like vault toilets, just at the entrance. His and hers vault toilets. Site number 1. Really big area, and not too flat. Maybe you could put a tent here. Nice picnic table. Beautiful view of the lake. Access to the lake, very nice. Back end parking. Here's number 2. It's on the lake side again. Wow, spectacular view of the lake. Very nice area. Probably put a tent back here. Picnic tables are in really good shape. Beautiful. Water spigot across from 2. Three is opposite the lake. It's got a view of the lake, but not as nice as the sites that back up to the lake. Picnic table's not as nice either. Big parking area. Number 4 is opposite the lake as well, in the inner part of the loop. There's a nice area, nice and flat. Pretty area. Picnic table's in really good shape. 4 is not bad, definitely better than 3. And we have 5. It's on the lake side. We're headed around counterclockwise on the 1 to 18 loop. Oh boy, what a view. Wow, 18 is, I'm sorry. 5 is really nice. Access to the lake. Super beautiful. This is 7. 7 is nice as well. A nice view of the lake. Good picnic table. Wow, this is really nice. Here's the parking for 7. Nice back end parking. 6 is not on the lake side. 6 has nice back end parking. 6 is a little bit of privacy. And you can see the lake from here, but it's just not as nice as being on the lake side. Nice flat area for a tent. It's a nice campground. Just past 7, it's like a trail down to the water. 8 is on the lakeside. Beautiful view of the lake. You'd have to put a tent up here somewhere because it's not real flat, but it is very nice. Well, you can see Highway 22 across on the other side of the lake. You kind of hear some traffic noise, but not too bad. And then 9. Single vault toilet next to 9. 9 has a lake view, but it's not as good as being over by the lake. Nice picnic table. Nice flat area. It's pretty nice area. It's close to the trail, so this one would be nice. You just have to walk across the loop here to get to the trail down to the water. Nice access to the bathroom as well. So we're actually continuing around the loop, headed farther away from the lake, or Suttle Lake, Lake Suttle, whatever it's called. This is 10. 10 has nice paved pull-through parking. 10 would not do very well with a tent, so 10 would be better for a RV or camper or something, because the parking's really nice. And then 11 back in parking. Maybe you could fit a tent back here, but 11 is really sloped. This would be better suited for a trailer or RV or something. Picnic table's in good shape. 12 on the left. 12 is a decent sized area. Probably a tent back here maybe. Picnic table's really good. 13 is directly across from 12. Back in parking. A good place for a tent. Pull-through parking. Huge area. Picnic table is one of the older wooden types, but it looks like it's in pretty good shape. And you don't get much of a lake view from this side. And then 14 has back-in parking. Nice flat area. Nice area, just not close to the lake. Picnic table's good. 15 across from 14 has back-in parking. Looks like maybe a double here, has double picnic tables. Flat areas to the side here. I'm sorry, this has pull-through parking as well. Yeah, 2 picnic tables. That's nice. And 16 water spigot next to 16 right here. 16 is back-in parking. Sixteen is maybe a tent over here somewhere. Picnic table needs a little work, a little bit rough. Looks like one of the corners is chipped off. You can see the lake from here. And then continuing counterclockwise, heading back out towards the front of the campground. Number 17. Wow, 17 is really sloped. Wooden picnic table, but it looks in okay shape. Yeah, you'd have a hard time pitching a tent here, or at least find a flat spot. This probably, back-in parking, probably wouldn't be a good spot for a tent. And then the last campsite on this loop is 18. 18 looks pretty big. It's got back-in parking, huge area. It's not really flat. You can probably find a flat area behind the picnic table. A little easier access to the lake. Picnic table's got a chip out of the corner here, but it looks like it's okay. And that's it for the 1 to 18 loop. So here's 19 to 25. Take a right. Information and pay station. Yeah, I think the boat ramp is here too. Looks like a clockwise loop. This area is a little lower than the 1 to 18 loop. The campsites sit a little bit lower. And here's the boat ramp. So this might be, if you got a boat, maybe this would be a better camping area on this side. Yeah, campsite number 20. I didn't see 19. Has a good parking area. Not a huge area, but wow, it has really nice access to the lake. Very nice. Really good. Wow, this is really nice. Beautiful lake. Huge parking area. Maybe this is for if you have a boat. 21, I guess you share with 21. 21 is up the hill in a common parking area with 20. Big area, very nice. Beautiful view of the lake. Wow. Picnic table's in good shape, nice flat area if you have a tent. A little bit of a divot in the picnic table, but not too bad otherwise. 22 is here. '22 would be a difficult area for a tent. It's pretty well sloped. It wouldn't accommodate a tent very well at all. Picnic table's okay. But as far as a tent, it'd be difficult. And then we got 23. Which has pull-through parking. Wow, 23 is really sloped. Maybe if you want to put your tent down here, but as far as up by the picnic table, definitely a no-go. Unless you don't mind sliding down the hill all night. And then 24. 24 is a big back-end parking spot. The campsite's kind of small up front, but it'd be nice, nice area in the back for a tent. Picnic table's in decent shape. Twenty-four, 25. '25 is here. 25's got a small parking area. The campsite's not too bad. Picnic table's in good shape. Nice area for a tent in the back. Yeah, this would not be good for a RV or a camper. Better for a tent. I think this must be 19. It's just across from the boat ramp. Uh, 19 really just sucks. I don't even see a fire ring, but I don't see any other 19 campground.